to aid and provide for citizens who may otherwise have nowhere else to turn to for assistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supports or contradicts. 58. Cracking the TOEFL IBT answers to drill number 3. Body paragraph A. 1. This sentence states that much is demanded of people. 2. This sentence gives an example of something demanded. 3. This sentence gives an example of how the people adapted. 4. This sentence provides a detail related to sentence 3. 5. This sentence provides an additional detail related to sentence 3. 6. This sentence gives an example of something else demanded. This paragraph supports the passage. Body paragraph B. 1. This sentence gives a consequence of a situation. 2. This sentence gives a contrast to sentence 1. 3. This sentence gives another contrast to sentence 1. 4. This sentence gives another contrast to sentence 1. This paragraph contradicts the passage. Body paragraph C. 1. This sentence gives a fact about the topic. 2. This sentence provides more information related to sentence 1. 3. This sentence provides more information related to sentence 1. 4. This sentence provides another fact about the topic. 5. This sentence provides more information related to sentence 4. This paragraph supports the passage. Body paragraph D. 1. This sentence introduces another connection. 2. This sentence provides a detail related to sentence 1. 3. This sentence explains sentences 1 and 2 more fully. 4. This sentence also explains sentences 1 and 2 more fully. 5. This sentence summarizes the other sentences. This paragraph supports the passage. As you can see, body paragraphs start with a narrow topic followed by details that are closely related to that narrow topic. Sometimes, as in paragraph C, there are two topics: the percentage of the population experience hallucinations, potential causes of hallucinations, but most body paragraphs deal with only one topic. Most times, the body paragraphs support the author, but occasionally they are used to present contradictory information. 2. Core concept. Reading 59. What is the structure of a conclusion paragraph? Many of the passages on the TOEFL are edited versions of longer passages. Thus, the last paragraph will usually provide some additional details and a final wrap-up of the topic. Let's revisit a conclusion paragraph. 1. Of course, other factors increase the centralization of a democracy. 2. TOEFL points out that war is an important agent of centralization. 3. To succeed in war, contends TOEFL, a nation must be able to focus its resources around a single point. 4. Countries with a centralization of power are far more able to accomplish this task than are countries with fragmented power structures. 5. But it is interesting how TOEFL sees democracy as a vehicle not for freedom but for power, driven by the very people the democracy is designed to empower. Again, here's the structure of the conclusion. 1. This sentence provides a detail that contrasts with the main point of the passage. 2. This sentence provides more information on sentence 1. 3. This sentence provides a detail related to sentence 1. 4. This sentence provides a detail related to sentence 1. 5. This sentence states the author's final point. As you can see, the conclusion paragraph offers some specific details similar to a body paragraph. However, it also contains an important final statement that should apply to the passage as a whole. Therefore, when reading a conclusion paragraph, you should proceed as follows. 1. Read the first sentence. If topic sentence introduces more details, skim through them. 2. Read the very last sentence. Try to figure out what the author's final message or point is. Conclusion paragraphs can be very useful for primary purpose questions. In addition to containing extra details, conclusions can also provide contradictory points and ask final questions about the topic. 60. Cracking the TOEFL IBT drill number 4. Analyzing conclusions for each of the following conclusion paragraphs, specify the role each sentence plays. Also, write down the author's final point or message. Conclusion paragraph A. 1. Despite these misgivings, the directors of the AVITA program remain optimistic that their program, even if not considered alive, is leading to a greater understanding of life in all its forms. 2. It may even facilitate future searches for life on other planets. 3. According to one member of the AVITA team, the problem that we have now is that we are focused on looking for DNA-based life. 4. But there may be other kinds of life out there that we have never dreamed of. 5. The AVITA program may provide biologists with another avenue to explore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final point. Conclusion paragraph B. 1. Newcomers to the Arctic region required the use of advanced technology to make a living in the region. 2. But the native inhabitants of the tundra existed there for generations without the need for guns, steel knives, vehicles, or modern